Hi everyone, this is Mythri. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now I am here to explain a small topic in DC, digital communication. The topic name is Analyze the Modulation Techniques in Digital TV Broadcasting. Introduction to Digital TV Broadcasting. Digital TV broadcasting has revolutionized how we consume the television content. It enables the transmission of high quality audio and video signals over various platforms. Understanding the modulation techniques in is crucial for optimizing the signal quality and reliability. As shown in the figure, complete digital TV broadcasting system. What is modulation? Modulation is a process of varying the carrier signals to encode the information. It plays a vital role in transmitting the data efficiently over radio frequencies. Different modulation techniques impacts the performance and quality of broadcast. As shown in the figure, the first graph amplitude modulation AM, the input modulating wave first and carrier wave and modulated wave result. Frequency modulation FM, input modulating wave carrier and modulated wave result. Digital modulation DC, input modulating wave carrier wave modulated wave result. Types of modulation techniques. Com- Common modulation techniques include amplitude modulation AM, frequency modulation FM, and the phase modulation PM. Digital broadcasting primarily uses the techniques like QPSK, quadrature phase shift keying, and 8 VSB 8 level digitalized sideband, and includes the another one FESK, frequency phase shift keying. Each technique has its advantages and disadvantages based on the transmission environment. What do you mean by modulation? It is a changing the parameters like amplitude, frequency, phase with message signal with respect to carrier signal to get the modulated signal. As shown in the figure, first message signal and the carrier signals are sent to the modulation, then we will get the modulated signal. QPSK modulation. QPSK modulation is widely used modulation technique in digital TV broadcasting. It allows for transmission of 2 bits of information per symbol, enhancing the bandwidth efficiently. This technique robust against noise and interference, making it suitable for satellite and cable broadcasting. 8 VSB modulation. 8 VSB modulation it stands for Modulation Scheme for Over the Area Digital Television in the United States. It encodes data using the high different signals, 8 different signals levels, providing the high spectral efficiency. This technique is particularly effective in urban environment with multiple phaseband interference. Means the technique is particularly effective in urban environment with multi-path interference. As shown in the figure, it represents the 8 VBSK modulation. COFDM modulation. COFDM modulation is means full form is coded orthogonal frequency division multiplexing is used in many digital terrestrial television systems. It divides the signal into multiple subcarriers, reducing the effects of multipath fading. This makes the COFDM a robust choice for broadcasting in challenging reception conditions. Comparison of modulation techniques. Comparison between the AM and FM. Different modulation techniques offer varying the levels of robustness and bandwidth efficiency. Factors such as signal to noise ratio, multipath effects, and the bandwidth availability influence the choice of modulation. A careful analysis is required to select the appropriate technique for specific broadcasting needs. Let me compare between AM and FM. Definition. The in AM wave, amplitude of carrier signal is vary in accordance with amplitude of modulating signal. keep the frequency and phase constant. While as in FM, the frequency of carrier signal is vary in accordance with amplitude of modulating signal, keeps the amplitude and phase constant. Phase constant parameter. In AM, frequency and phase will be constant. In FM, amplitude and phase will be constant. Modulator signal in AM waves will be there, and FM waves will be there. Modulation index M is equals to EM by EC. In frequency, M is equals to rho by FM. Number of sidebands. Only two sidebands will be there in the AM, while as in the FM, infinite and depends on the FM. Bandwidth is equals to 2 FM in AM. Bandwidth in FM is equals to 2 of rho plus FM maximum. Application. It applicable in sideband broadcasting TV or video transmission in TV. It applicable in broadcasting of FM audio transmission in TV. It is in video transmission, yeah, AM. FM is in audio transmission in TV. Impacts of modulation on signal quality. The choice of modulation technique directly affects the quality of the received signal. Techniques like QPSK and COFDM provides better error correction capabilities, enhancing the signal integrity. Higher quality signals improve the viewer experience and reduce the needs of retransmissions. As shown in the figure, carrier or channel signal first unmodulated value from 2 bits. 2 bits means 0 for 00, 2 10, 101, 311. Modulated wave result. Future trends in modulation techniques. Emerging the technologies are influenced the evolution of modulation techniques in digital broadcasting. Techniques like 256 QAM and advanced COFDM variant are being explored for improved performance. Future developments aims to support higher data rates and more efficient spectrum usage. Digital modulation techniques, modifying the amplitude, frequency, and the phase characteristics of carrier with data scheme representation 1 and 0 of computer language. Simplest scheme changes the carrier state with each bit of data. Amplitude phase shift keying ASK, phase shift keying PSK, another will be added FSK, frequency shift keying. Conclusion. Understanding the modulation techniques is essential for effective digital TV broadcasting. The right modulation choice can significantly enhance the signal quality and viewer experience. Continuous advantagements, advantage, advantagements in modulation will space shift future of digital televisions. That's all about this topic. Thank you.